Getting your HVAC system right isn't just about picking a unit and slapping it in. There's a whole science behind designing heating, ventilation, and air conditioning that fits your building's unique needs. So, here's the deal. First, figure out what your space really needs. Is it a home, a hospital, or maybe a busy airport? Each place has totally different requirements, like how many people will be inside, or if you need special smoke control systems for safety. Next, sizing your system properly is key. Too big or too small can wreck your energy bills and comfort. Talk with your HVAC engineer early on so they can crunch the numbers for heating and cooling loads based on your building's design. Also, think about how long you want the system to last and what running costs look like down the line, not just the upfront price. Make sure your system meets all local codes, but don't be afraid to go beyond that if it means better performance or efficiency. Coordinate with other pros too, like electricians or fire protection teams, so everything works smoothly together. Finally, keep track during installation. Ask questions, review plans, and make sure the system gets tested and commissioned properly before you call it done. One of the biggest mistakes people make when dealing with HVAC systems is ignoring proper load calculations, which leads to undersized or oversized units that waste money and energy. The fix? Always have a professional do detailed heat and cooling load assessments before buying anything. Another common problem is poor coordination with other building systems like electrical or fire alarms, causing delays or conflicts on site. You can avoid this by involving all relevant contractors early in the design phase for smooth teamwork. Lastly, many skip proper commissioning and testing after installation, which means hidden problems can cause headaches later on. Make sure to have your HVAC engineer or contractor thoroughly test and balance the system to catch issues before you move in. BigHomeProjects.com makes it super easy for homeowners to connect with trusted local HVAC contractors who know their stuff and get the job done right. At the same time, it's a solid platform for contractors looking to find new projects and grow their business without hassle.